are we? What's going on?
Chicago.
Chicago, huh? Yeah, that's right. We're in Chicago. If you saw yesterday's video, you know I said I'm in a hotel in Chicago. Not a fan of the city, but I can deal with it for now. Yeah, we are actually headed to hopefully be picking up the giveaway truck. The giveaway truck. Feels good. I'm excited. I'm excited to get the giveaway truck. All these months building up to this moment.
This is a head start this year, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Last year we didn't buy our first truck until end of April, early May. Now we're gonna cut it a month sooner. Plenty of opportunity for lots of 12 valves.
There's a lot. We've got so many more 12 valves we could buy this year.
Excited to finish the turbo system on Nasty Bread. It's good too.
We bought 4 12 valves last year. I didn't think about that. I mean, like he bought 2, I bought 2. We bought 4 12 valves last year. I don't know what's gonna happen this year, but we're kicking it off good early. We're gonna get this one. And what is up, loud and proud crowd? Hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome. We're actually headed to pick up the giveaway truck is the plan. If the truck is what the guy showed me in the photos and stuff like that, it seems like it's really well maintained. He took care of it. He made sure the thing is immaculate. If it is all that and is what I hope it is, it should be the perfect giveaway truck. 1 of 2. Let's go get it. So, Nick, he's the guy with the giveaway truck. I was gonna ask him a couple questions, just like when he started watching the channel in the first place, because he does watch the videos. About last year when I got the white second gen, I was gonna ask you about the truck. How do you feel selling the thing?
I gotta be honest, it's kind of sad to see it go.
Yeah.
But I know it's gonna be going to a good person. That's all that matters, really.
How do you feel about it being a giveaway truck?
Even better.
But
it's cool to be able to like see it on the videos eventually, and then see it hopefully go to someone else.
For sure. Well, I appreciate you providing the truck. I've been looking for a truck and it worked out. It's cool, so thank you.
Thank you.
Turbos, man, turbos. Wow. Yo, what is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fabulous today. Sorry if I sound a little bit congested. I am congested. That's why I sound a little bit congested right now. We're super tired still from the past weekend, but I'm all good. We finally have the giveaway truck, and I'm so excited. I got to talk to the kid yesterday. Just super cool people. It's such a good feeling to get to meet fans, to get to meet people in person, like see the type of people that are watching your content, that are following you day to day, and that are also participating in what you're doing. Like, he had a decal that I released last July. It was a July 4th special. I released those decals, and he's like, the moment those decals came out, I started watching your channel like a month before. He's like, the moment those decals came out, he's like, I bought one. You know, I put the decal on the window before the window was even installed on the truck. It's just so cool just to get to see the people who are, you know, following along with what you're doing, who believe in the things that you're doing and are going along with you the entire way. So it's just super cool. This is the reveal of the automatic giveaway truck. There's so much to talk about, so much to go over with this truck. I'm gonna show you right now just kind of a video around the truck, and then we'll pick back up and I'll show you a little bit more around in detail. It's a cool truck, so I'll let you guys watch that right now. You guys enjoyed that truck. It's a stud truck. It's got 205,000 miles. It's a 96, so that's cool. 96, like I said, I like 96s. I don't know why, I just do. I'm always drawn to a 96 over like a 94 or 95. I don't know why, I just am. And the kid's dad, actually, he had a 3500 dually. But let's kind of show you around the truck, and I'll show you kind of how it is right now. They did a really good job with this truck. Here she is, boys. It's crazy to think I bought 3 12 valves in less than a year. I bought the white one, sold that. I bought this truck, didn't sell this. Then I bought this truck. And I'm not gonna go into prices and stuff in detail like I didn't with that truck. It's not really anybody's business what I pay for these trucks and stuff like that. And you know, it's I don't say anything and people flip out, and I do tell people, then they flip out, and you know, in one way or the other. So just gonna keep my lips sealed on that. Let's just say every penny is well worth it, especially to be able to see somebody win a truck like this. I feel like anybody should be extremely happy to win something like this. This is a really nice truck. We're gonna go through the build plan on this truck in another video or two sometime this week. I've got a lot of stuff to do this week. Then we got some stuff starting on the dually soon. The custom seats, which just a little lever, lift the lever, slide up out of the way. I mean, just awesome. Everything's just in a really good shape. New headliner, it's all done. It's not it's factory color, but it's not the factory headliner. Of course, the seats are fully adjustable, forward, back, all the functions you like. But I drove in this thing for 4.5 hours last night, and I love driving this thing. It's got a custom sound system in it, well, custom center console. It's got the flip-up seat, and basically what they did was they built a box around those brackets for that middle seat, but they took out the cushion, they built a box, and they used some of the headliner material and wrapped it, just because it kind of tied in with the truck. And they have a 12-inch sub under there, right there. 12-inch sub mounted up underneath, which is just sweet. It's got the 4-wheel drive, of course. They've got a bunch of receipts and stuff for me. There's that decal he had bought right when I released him last July. Perfectly mounted switch for the light bars up front, the LEDs. A couple small cracks in the dash, but nothing major. You know what I mean? Nothing I can't fix. I'll definitely, trust me. If I want to try to find a truck this nice for you guys, believe me, I will make sure this truck is in excellent condition before anybody takes it home. Not that it isn't already. I mean, it's for 96, guys. Come on, this thing is awesome. Don't tread on me. Gotta love that. Color matched grille. It's got the 4th gen bumper. A little dusty under here. But what I'm probably gonna do, all he's got done is he's got some stuff painted. I don't know if he did this for the previous owner before him, but they've got some stuff painted under here. But other than that, it's stock. You know what I mean? Like, in terms of the parts themselves, it's all stock. Stock turbo, stock injector, stock fuel lines, all that stuff. I'll save build parts for another video. I'll just say that. I'll save build parts list for another video, because there's gonna, once I start on that, it's gonna go on way too long. The list of stuff that I'm gonna do under the hood here. Honestly, it's gonna hurt to give this thing away, but I'll be happy to do it if somebody's got a smile on their face, and super grateful to have it. I mean, it'll be worth doing. There was some surface rust on it, but nothing bad. You know what I mean? Like, there wasn't any holes and stuff in the frame. Like, no more than just the factory. You know what I mean? Factory stuff, that's it. Of course, there's no rust on the rockers or anything. There's no rust on this truck in terms of the body. Here's the frame. I mean, drive shafts are always rusty on these trucks, no matter where they're at. All the under panels were undercoated. They said the body was rust-free when they did all that. Pretty freaking clean truck, guys. I mean, I checked this frame front to back. There's no cracks, there's no pinholes, nothing like that. It was just surface rust, basically like what the dually was. The dually just looks way better now because the chassis savered it versus that bed liner style coating, undercoating. See, that's what I did with the dually. Makes it look way better. Of course, it's muddy right now, but that's what it looked like before. Well, kinda. I chassis savered some of this too, actually, so it's not a good justification. Well, back in there you can see that orange. Still solid as rock, just had that surface rust on it. Just a nice truck, guys. I can't get over the fact how nice this thing is. You know what I mean? It's dusty. You can see it's dusty up here. But it's clean, guys. Clean. The windshield was all reinstalled and resealed and everything's perfect. Extremely pleased with this truck. Extremely happy with it. So Nick, when you see this, man, thank you so much for selling me your truck. I know you didn't have to, but Really appreciate it. I mean, this is like, if I was looking for the automatic version of the truck I'm giving away, I mean, I couldn't have found a better truck. You know what I mean? Like, you hooked me up. Huge thanks to you and your dad. It's an awesome, awesome truck. Yeah, this build's starting here. Like I said, this build's starting pretty soon. I am just extremely, extremely stoked for this build and this truck. There's a lot of work that went into building up to this moment to be able to buy a truck, to give back to somebody. Like, it's a lot. It's a lot to take in, you know what I mean? Like, it's really happening. Like, I'm in it now. Like, it's really happening. I bought the truck. We're gonna send it, man. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be a sick build, guys. It's going to be crazy. It's gonna be awesome. But I'll save all that stuff for another time because there's some exciting stuff to point out on that mod list. Huge thank you to everybody watching, everybody supporting the video, supporting, you know, my dream, my career, my passion, my business. I mean, this is what I do. This is me. This is who I am. I could not do a lot of the stuff that I do right now without you guys. You guys mean a lot to me. Like, I appreciate you guys, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like something that I take for granted. Like, you guys are absolutely awesome. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of the giveaway truck. Before too long here, we're going to be able to do a review of the manual truck that we're going to be having up for grabs as well. Let me know what you guys think of the automatic. Do you think I got a good truck? Transmission, by the way, shifts perfect. We'll do a drive in this truck when we go through like the mod list and stuff very momentarily. We'll take a drive and stuff too. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe if you're new. Join the team. Join the family. If you guys are into winning trucks and cash and stuff like that, and you guys just want to be part of a super cool, fast growing diesel family, hope you enjoyed that video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.